I'm back. It's the Klein collapsible canvas. From what I can tell, Klein makes 14 other buckets. It collapses. You can collapse it. Boom, like magic, right? Collapses. Look at that, little demonstration. It's exciting. Look at this. You take it out. You know, the United States produces about 4.9 pounds of garbage per person a year. And that's not even counting all the stuff that Disney puts out. I mean, anybody else out there been pressured into watching Snow White in the theater? Is it just... Oh, it's the Klein collapsible, thing, right? And I'm writing notes here. Every time I try to write bucket, I would start spelling butt. I mean, what is wrong with me? And guess what? My neighbor's mowing the lawn. Thanks, neighbor. Thank you. Thank you, neighbor, for mowing the lawn. Thanks. Kids, stay in school. You can take it out, you whip it out. Okay, it's a lift bucket. Yeah, you can lift things with it. That's not exciting to me. I stay on the ground. I'm gonna use it, empty out whatever garbage on the job site or even in my garage. Empty out. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I whip it out, right? Ooh, it's kind of flaccid. Whip it out. Whip it out a little bit. Put whatever garbage, whatever trash, whatever garbage I find in the garage, stick it in here, run it over the garbage can, dump it out. Collapse it back, put it back wherever it goes. This one's gonna be on my truck. Same thing, on the job site, I whip it out, set it down, throw whatever, I'm working on a splice maybe. Wire clippings, boom, boom, boom. Instead of putting them in my tool pouch, I put them in this. I take this to the garbage at work, dump it out, collapse it. Bob's your uncle. It's pretty cool. Just like, look at that. You got to see this. This is magical. Maybe it's magical. Yeah. Look at this. I mean, just look. Perfect. Can't tell where I work. Suck it. Look at this. You whip it out, right? You use it, you put it back. Right between my T-stack boxes. I'm excited. I love it. I really do. I might get a second one, maybe to have one at home, one to have on the job. The Klein collapsible canvas lift bucket, which I will use for garbage. Whip it out, put the garbage in it. It's fantastic. If you don't think this is fantastic, you got a problem.
I know I'm good, but I'm getting better.
One could argue that I have a problem. And I love that my neighbor decides to mow the lawn. I'm not going to mow the lawn until he starts filming. Silly neighbor. Oh, and my neighbor's horn is going. That's good for the video. They said they'd have people over and they might be loud. I guess that's what they meant. I'll stop filming for now. Freaking Amazon. Amazon, here comes Amazon. Come on in to the shot. I love you, Amazon. You're so great. Now, did Jeff Bezos go bald? Then he started shaving his head, or does he want to look like Lex Luthor? Is that the deal? Somebody said, you reviewed neighbors more than you reviewed tools. Well, what if your neighbors are a bunch of tools? Look, you can throw it around. It's made out of canvas. It's tougher than normal fabrics, right? It's canvas. They make those fancy tents for those people that pretend to be harsh condition, outdoorsy, bushcraft people. You know, I once worked a job where we had to load things up and carry them up onto the second floor roof. And this would be perfect for that. But I think organization is more important for me. From what I can tell, Klein makes 14 other of these buckets. I don't care who you are. You can definitely throw it around, just leave it there. I open it up, put whatever I need to in it, run it to the garbage, and my worries are over. And so can yours be. What are you waiting for? Psst. It's made in the USA. It's not made in China. Ooh! They even have a phone number on. You can call the phone number. I bet you somebody would answer and say, Klein, tools. I don't know, whatever they're going to say. You probably get, when you get one of those stupid phone trees, yeah, even where I work, it's like you call in, you get some sort of automated thing. It feels like you don't matter. You matter, but it just feels like it. I think everybody matters where I work. Klein makes many lovely products. They make, I get the multimeter that I use almost every day, the nice wire tracing set I have. They make, a host of hand tools. My Network Scout Pro 3 tester that I use and I've shown off, just to make the job, getting the job done better, a little bit better, and it feels better, and the stuff that's quality, it's not going to fail. But this is about organization, and that collapsible storage pouch, trash garbage, collapsible bucket pouch thing. I can squish it down. I can squish it down and put it in the truck. Here comes another neighbor. I think I hear my voice echoing. I bet everybody can hear me. Oh, that's the guy down the street that hates his neighbors. I don't hate my neighbors. I just hate the effects of the neighbors on my videos. There's another one. I should have a channel where I just talk about my neighbors. Nobody would watch. Hardly anybody watches this. Listen, if you want a nice flaccid bag that you can whip out, and clean up whatever mess you got going on, check out the Klein collapsible canvas bag. It's great. Trust me. It's made out of canvas. You can't go wrong with canvas. Hi. On today's modern job site, you've got folks, everybody knows that around the house you may run into a little bit of, let me give it to you straight, the Klein canvas collapsible lifting garbage bag thing with the solid base on the bottom is fantastic. Do yourself a favor, and your girlfriend or your boyfriend, your robot lover or your mistress or your whatever, do them a favor, just get one, try it out. You cannot go wrong with something that make bigger to fill with stuff, make smaller to put away, save space, organize. It's a win-win-win. So you suck if you don't get one, and that's it. Bye. Is Klein a German word? Isn't it? Klein, 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 Klein. Nein!